thank you for getting here early. I want to give you a quick look behind the scenes. I thought this would be fun as we wait for it. This is the Shure SM7B, something that most video podcasters use. I think that's cool. This camera is the Canon 80D. I've had this camera for a very long time. It's very old. And here's the restream, like Inception right now, right here. Ooh, and then this is the Rodecaster. This serves as the audio mixing board. I play like my videos or my sound and music right off of this thing right here. I think it's very colorful. Fun fact: I actually always have a blanket on because I'm always super cold. This is a fun fact about me. I'm just always I'm a really cold person. I have these post-its here that help me to remind myself of to how to tell a great story, always ask more questions, stuff like that. I want to make better content for you and for myself because I consider this a hobby. Most of my rig is on this central column here. You can see here, and so you can see the arms on it, and of course there's my pad lighting, my rollout mat lighting. Anyways, look, I just want to thank you for being here so early. I'd like to ask a favor for you. I'd just like to ask you to be active in the chat. This is why we do live streams, because you help make part of the show. I know a lot of you guys have big brain knowledge and even opinions and questions. I love it all. And if you wouldn't mind, if you're feeling generous, hit a like button on this thing. Visit all the guest links down in the description down below, and hit subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks so much for being here early. Thank you for, just supporting the channel, and this is my full-on dream to just be YouTubing and all that kind of stuff, and just chatting with you guys and talking crypto and all things like NFTs and all that kind of stuff. Thank you so much, and let's get this stream started. What's going on, everybody? Welcome to the live stream, restream if you're rewatching this. If you're new to this channel, my name is Aaron. I'm just a cowboy on a journey, looking at some crypto, trying to make some money. And what's big ups to the chat here: Tom, Pacoy, Prince Yolo, Neo, Storm, Shahid. Who else is there? Hader was in here. So what's going on, guys? I know you guys don't typically see me at this time. Okay, I wanted to see if I could do more Fridays at 11 a.m. I was looking at some analytics of the channel, and I was just looking. I was like, oh, most of everyone is online at 11 a.m. that watches my content. So I just want to say a quick thank you right at 11 for anyone who does watch, or is on at this time. I'm noticing some different names in here. So I usually go on at 11 p.m. Eastern Standard. So I'm on 11 a.m. now. So really quick, Tom, it's good to see your name. Good to meet you. I think I've seen Shahid a little bit from Kenya. Good to see you. And so who else here? Storm, chilling a Grizzly F5, but I'm not sure. Neo, I think you were on last night, and Pacoy, I haven't seen you either. So I could do a giveaway or something. I wish we had, I usually do giveaways on with guests, but I think I am gonna start doing live streams Fridays at 11 a.m. because I can't get to it during the week because I work. So, but I have usually days off on Friday, and so just like to do this today. Crypto Warden, Crypto Warden, he's a regular on the channel, especially on CNFT Tuesdays. And so, yeah, we're just building out a little infrastructure of people. Yeah, bro, $130 last day. Oh, good deal. Good for you. Oh, I still need to go through and pick that up. So yeah, make sure I have, yeah, right here. You won Beekeeper. So I still need to pay that off to you. Beekeeper and Jackpot to McCracken, and Mike Thomas won something as well because Deandra picked them. Anyway, guys, let's get right into Bitcoin. And I just want to make this a short stream. I really want to just make the stream to thank everyone who is on this time. Said most of my subscribers are looking at this time. So I just want to thank you guys. I'll try to make this happen more often on Friday if you guys want to. Give me a 1 in the chat if you guys want Friday streams at 11. I usually do the exact opposite time, 11 p.m. So 11 a.m. is something I could work with, and just on Fridays though. So give me a 1 in the chat if you like that. Give me 2 in the chat if it's all good. No problem. I sent you an address on Telegram. Okay, I haven't checked that kind of stuff lately. This morning I've been at work, so no problem, Neil. So let's get right into Bitcoin charts here. Bitcoin is at 23,800. Because of last night, we really got some bearish nerves from two people, Crypto, Infinite Crypto, and AJC. And they said that basically, if you're looking over here, we're in an upward wedge, an upward trend. And typically, an upward trend means boop, it means going down. And they don't know how steep or how quick of a gradual this decline is. It could be anything like this. It could run up and then come back down. Obviously, I don't do TA. This is something that I've never really done. I kind of just see a chart and see a trend, but I could see that. I mean, I'm pretty bearish right now anyway. Oh, I'm seeing some ones here. This is cool. Els, what's going on? I haven't seen you in a little bit. I haven't seen you in a little bit, brother. So good to see you. Um, and Prince Yolo, I like seeing multiple people because I feel like multiple people are winning. So like I know Neo and McCracken hasn't won. I know Mike Thomas wins regularly. So we someone needs to get over to that guy. IMO, this is a new name right here. IMO. So Zazie. So I haven't seen that name. Um, but I appreciate you guys tuning into the channel. So this is my technical stuff, right? So um, let's see here. This is not it. What am I looking at? Okay, yeah. So I've got like too many screens open. So yeah, so we're looking at this. One thing I did want to show was that I've been doing some reading on Bitcoin technical analysis and price levels, and what they're basically saying. So Elon's saying past US's past peak inflation after Tesla sells 90% of Bitcoin. Um, I think this has to do with Bitcoin's prices. Obviously, I think if inflation keeps on continuing, I feel like there is less money for people to buy Bitcoin. Uh, I think weak hands are being shaken out right now. The strong, medium-sized hands are being shaken out, and so I'm sitting waiting for a time to really buy in and buy in really big. I'm going to buy in the teens. Hopefully, it gets down to that point. And I don't know. I don't think anyone is saying that like a 30,000 or above Bitcoin is on the table right now. But you never know. I'm not really hearing a lot of sentiment for that. Crypto Fusion, what's going on? Haven't seen your name. So good to see you. Good to meet you guys. If you're new to this channel, let me know if you're new. If you'd like, subscribe if you kind of like what I have to say. So what's going on, Crypto Fusion? Good to see you, brother. So or sister, probably brother though. Um, being that 90% of my viewership is men, boys, men. So yeah, one thing I wanted to see was here the Bitcoin levels of price for Cointelegraph to watch. I thought this was really interesting. Data from Cointelegraph Markets Pro and TradingView showed that BTC is dipping to 23.6, marking a 24-hour loss of 5%. And so commentators hope for Bitcoin to tackle resistance closer to 30,000. Others remain cautious with suspicions that a fresh downtrend could ensue. So look at this chart here. This person is drawing a target of like downtrend from right here, from 23.9, basically 24, where we're sitting at now. This is the current thing right now. We are sitting at 23.8. So this person is predicting a downtrend. Do they know? No, no one knows for sure. But that's just kind of something that they would like to say. Volume is dying. Channels are not impulses but corrections. Popular trading account. Someone wrote that most people expecting a 20k, 28k or higher, but the big level is 25,000. A further post reinforced the idea that the recent gains were part of a bear market rally. Fellow trader Gibbon, meanwhile, drew fresh attention to Bitcoin's 200-week moving average, currently near 23,000. After reclaiming it during the run-up, an important bear market support level was now fast approaching. If 200 MA moving average rejected, ready for some drop, he warned part of the fresh. So looks like there's a lot of drops in here. Let me know if you guys are thinking Bitcoin is going up or going down. You guys probably know better than I do. Welcome. Yeah. Oh, thanks, Adair. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I really appreciate it. ETH merges are coming soon. Are you excited, mate? Okay, good question. Let me see here. ETH remains very strong. Actually, we're getting to it right now. Striking positive tone, having called up. Oops. Let me scroll down back here. So yeah, so everyone's happy about a $1,900 ETH. I am I'm indifferent. Okay, I'm indifferent. I don't think an ETH merge is going to do a lot to the price. I think if anything, people are going to FOMO in, and that's what's going to happen. But I think once the merge hits, I think it's going to crash. I think that because of what I saw with Cardano in, I believe, September, when Cardano had their big smart contract release, everything crashed. It ran up to $3. Everyone thought, okay, everyone's smart contracts coming out, but it really just really tanked back down to $2. So I sold, I mean, like really close to the top, like maybe $2.90. So yeah, let's see. Aaron, you should definitely learn price action. The target is the size of the pull on bear momentum. I'm for bear. Yeah, I'm with you. I'm with you. I learned, you know, here's the thing. I know enough about price action to be very wrong. You know what I mean? Like I know about reading charts, and I've done research and on how to read charts and what dead cat bounce is, what ascending wedges, what bull flags are. I'm not confident in it. I don't want to go on here and say like I know what I'm talking about or give that perception. So I just don't. I steer very clear away from it. Why? Because there are very intelligent, uh, you know, TA specialists on YouTube, smaller and bigger, that we should just look to them. I just rather defer to them. Um, as much as you talk, as much wait, as much you talk, as much you talk, as much you're important less. Why you always say you know? I don't know. It's a tick. Sorry, my Minder56. I apologize. I appreciate your fundamental analysis, though. It's less risky and more rewarding. You move with the market, and that's great. Yes, yes, I do move with the market. I think that Tom, I have three major catalysts for a bull run. Okay, the first one is a Fed U-turn. Okay, uh, when they say we're going to stop, when they start being dovish in their language, when they start thinking like, hey, we're going to print more bills, that is the start of a next bull run, in my opinion. The next one is regulation. The United States brings in regulation big time, especially to stablecoins and Bitcoin. That is another big catalyst. The third one is the Bitcoin halving. When the Bitcoin halving happens, another bull run is on. That's the three I'm looking for. That's my fundamental analysis for plenty of reasons that I've already talked on the channel. But I could go over through those right now. Like I think that the 2021 bull run was a combination of halving and quantitative easing, big quantitative easing, lots of money printing. And so that's why Bitcoin ran up to $70,000, 69,000, but $70,000. That's where a lot of us made a lot of money, especially if you're investing in early. I think regulation is the big sleeping giant. I think once they start bringing in regulation with stable coins and Bitcoin, sovereign wealth fund, big hedge funds, a lot of people will start to put more stuff in there, so they don't have a Celsius or Voyager, they stand to lose all their money. So that's another thing. And of course, the Bitcoin halving. Every single time that Bitcoin halving happens, bull run. And so I can't deny that. Can I be a millionaire by own much Bitcoins? Yes, I believe, honestly, Minder, I honestly believe that. I honestly believe that if you own a Bitcoin, you will be a millionaire. Time frame, long time, long time. Um, so I think, and there's different ways. I don't think it'll just go to a million. I think for a long time it'll hang around like the 100,000 range, 100 to 300,000 range. But I think you could do things like that. You could loan against it and all kinds of stuff. So yeah, that's what I assume about Bitcoin. Uh, oh, this is a good question here. Let me see this. Um, do you do giveaways often? I watched your last stream and the word game was fun. One more question. What I've to do for joining the 1.5 NFTs will become a regular viewer. So um, yeah, I'd give away. I mean, nearly every stream. Streams that just by myself. I should probably do more giveaways then too. But yeah, I give us. I mean, I give away. I've given away over 2 Bitcoin on this channel. The valuation of 2 Bitcoin on this channel. So a little bit about the NFT. Let me go to it here. All you have to do is check out. YouTube. Okay, so check out Vesa MA. That says an artist here, and I'm giving away this NFT that he gave me. It's worth 1.5 ETH, and you could hear me talking about it on and the instructions of that. All you have to do is leave the best comment here. You see that there's a lot of people competing for this one. It's a really good. I mean, it's like 1.5 ETH. The artist is a speaker at NFT London in 2022, so I'm not sure when exactly that is, but he's a speaker in and so he's like legit. He's like, you can't get any more legit than this guy. He's got a year, he's got 10-year decade of doing art, and so he's moved into NFTs, and he's got a big following and big base and all that kind of stuff. So I am giving this away, and how that works is if you leave the best comment on here and you go on his Twitter and you follow and retweet his stuff, I'll pick the top 5 comments that I think, and then I guess we'll do a random drawing from those top 5, and that's how I'll pick. And so yeah, that's how you do that. Oh, you made this masterpiece. I didn't make that. No, I didn't. I didn't make that. Um, yeah, I'm gonna do another. Yeah, I'll do another guessing game. I'll probably do a guessing game. The Hangman. My next stream will probably be either Monday or Tuesday. Monday's kind of hard for me, and if I do it on Monday, it'll be 11 p.m. Eastern Standard. But uh, Tuesday will be definitely we'll have a Hangman game on Tuesday, and so that's for NFTs though. That's a very specific one. I try to go over news and stuff like that too, and I'd like to go over some news here. I'll comment on the video, make sure it's an interesting comment. Yeah, make sure it's really good. Like look at the competition there. Okay, the competition's fierce. They are making huge ones. I did not make that masterpiece, Minder. So I didn't do that. What's up, Crypto Bags? What's happening? I think I've seen your. It's been a while since I've seen your name on the stream. So I'm usually a little better. Anyways, guys, let's get into some other stuff here. What do you think about Tornado Cash? This is something that was interesting. Tornado Cash is a protocol where it just mixes up. So it brings in a lot of these different coins, mixes it all up, and sends them all out. And so you can't track it. There's a developer, I guess he got in the Netherlands, Amsterdam. I think he got arrested just today. So I don't know. What do you guys think about it? I'm a little conflicted on it. On one hand, Tornado Cash seems like a good service. Like, oh, you're going to try to track my stuff? Gone. It's all gone. I think there's some other ones too. Monero, I think that does something similar like that. I was told that Monero is like the trade comes in, it goes under like this shield, as it were, and then comes out as another number, and so it's untraceable. So that's how I've said. Oh, what's up, Gerald Ortiz? What's happening, brother? Good to see you. Good to see you. Um, I've been working on animation. Your cameos will be epic. Okay, cool. 10 weeks on out on pilot, maybe 12 tops. Cool, cool, cool. So I don't know what you guys think about the privacy aspect of it. On the other hand, I do see this as money laundering. I see that also like 1inch can be like that. Like you could see if you trade, it goes sent to these different places. I feel like you could kind of money launder there. But I thought that was really interesting. Another thing that I thought was interesting. Inflation rate in Spain hits 10.8%. This really scares me because it's the inflation. I'm really like nervous about inflation because it really cuts down on spending for my family and for a lot of people's families. You don't have a lot of time to like invest or money into invest. And so, I mean, just think about it. If you're inflation, like, so let me give an example. Eggs went up like 50%. So if all my groceries went up 50%, let's say food goes up 50%. I spent $300 on food last year a month. So up 50%, I'm now spending $450 a month. I don't know if I'm going to get that raise of $150 a month. You know what I'm saying? Or how long do I have to wait for that? And other people are kind of doing that too. So I don't know. Nice. Thanks for the. I appreciate it. Honestly, I started it as like a gimmick, but now I've really grown like it's part of my personality. I don't know if that's a funny thing to say, but I'm like, I am this hat. Like I am the cat. I can't not be seen on YouTube without this hat. It's just funny to me how you just start adopting something. But I appreciate it. Gerald, I am good, bro. I am good. I think I like where the market's at. I like where I'm at. I'm trying to do more for YouTube. I'm trying to do more for you guys. I'm reorganizing the Discord right now. I'm trying to figure out how to incorporate different tools on the Discord and just make it a better platform for traders like you and I who like smaller caps. I like moving into Bitcoin. I just like it all. I like all of crypto. So this is something that I'm very interested in. And yeah, that's pretty much what we got today. I'd like to leave you guys with a play of the day, something that we came with last night, and it's this. It's Evmos. They did an airdrop recently. You might, if you trade on Ethereum a lot, you might have gotten Evmos airdrop to your pockets, to your wallet. So be sure to check that out, Evmos. Um, check out this coin. Check out your wallet. If you, oh, dude, it spiked. Wow. If we bought in last night, oh, wait a minute, hold on. 10, yeah, yeah, yeah. If we bought in last night, we would have made that much money. That would be cool. Yeah. Hold on. Oh, I'm not even showing. So we were on the stream last night at this time right here. Wow, right at the bottom. 183, 182, and then it went up to 192. So if you bought in, you could have made some nice money there. But me and Infinite Crypto really brought this up, and something that is staking, high rewards, high APY type of move. I expressed my concern with this, but this is one of those things where this might be very helpful in a sideways trending, slightly upward trending market. So we'll see. Let me know what you guys think about Evmos in the chat here. Anyways, guys, that's all I got for you guys today. Just wanted to hop on. Really, like I said, the main point of this stream was just say thank you, thank you, thank you for anyone, because I checked my analytics and it said that the majority of my viewership came at about 11 a.m. My time here. So I'm here at 11 a.m. just thanking everybody. So I'm glad to meet a whole new crew because it's an exactly different time. Do you guys have any questions? Anything I could answer for you guys? Anything I could do? Any suggestions that I could do for the YouTube channel or crypto? Any particular type of videos you want to do? So yeah, um, just a short one today, but I just want to say thanks. 11 p.m. there. Okay, there you go. Yeah. Do you guys like the news updates, or you just want gems or anything like that? I like doing the news. I like covering different gems. I like all that kind of stuff. Yeah, prayer. Yeah, no problem. We'll pray. It's all good. Twitter handle Cowboys of Crypto at Cowboys of Crypto. I can pull that up here too. And be sure to follow by the guests on Twitter. That's me right there. Cowboys of Crypto. And be careful because there's a whole bunch of scams out there. Anyways, guys, thanks so much for being just watching, even hanging on the stream. I really appreciate it, everyone, so much. And yeah, I mean, if you guys have any suggestions, let me know in the comment section below. And check out that NFT, the 1.5 Ethereum. Leave a big comment there. I mean, I'm giving this away, so it's a real one. Anyway, thanks again. I'll see you in the next stream. Bye.